Giving old wood a second life through wall art and decor is not only a sustainable practice, but also a creative way to enhance your living space. As more people become aware of the environmental impact of waste, repurposing materials has emerged as a popular trend. Old wood, often discarded or overlooked, can be transformed into stunning pieces of art or functional decor that add character and warmth to any home. This approach not only contributes to environmental conservation, but also allows for personal expression and creativity. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of wall art and decor ideas through old wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of using reclaimed wood lies in its unique textures and history. Each piece carries a story, marked by years of wear and weathering. This inherent character makes reclaimed wood an ideal material for wall art and decor. When creating these pieces, the natural imperfections of the wood can be celebrated rather than hidden. For example, a worn plank with a faded patina can serve as a canvas for a striking piece of artwork, capturing the essence of rustic charm. This aesthetic aligns beautifully with modern design trends that embrace authenticity and individuality. One practical idea for transforming old wood into wall art is creating a wooden mosaic. This project involves cutting various pieces of reclaimed wood into different shapes and sizes, then arranging them to form a cohesive design. The contrast between the wood grains, colors, and textures can create a visually stunning piece that serves as a focal point in any room. Not only does this project allow for creativity, but it also provides an opportunity to experiment with patterns and shapes. Whether you prefer geometric designs or more organic forms, a wooden mosaic can be tailored to fit your personal style and space. Another innovative approach is to craft wooden signs that convey meaningful messages or quotes. This project is particularly appealing because it combines functionality with decorative flair. A simple piece of reclaimed wood can be transformed into a beautiful sign by painting or engraving a favorite quote or family motto. Hanging such a sign in a prominent place not only enhances the decor, but also serves as a daily reminder of what matters most. The rustic charm of the wood adds warmth to the space, making it feel inviting and personal. For those who appreciate a more three-dimensional approach, creating wooden wall sculptures can be an exciting venture. By layering pieces of wood at varying depths, you can create a dynamic sculpture that plays with light and shadow. This type of decor adds depth to the walls, drawing the eye and encouraging interaction. A wooden sculpture can reflect nature, abstract shapes, or even represent personal interests, allowing you to showcase your creativity and individuality. The tactile nature of wood invites touch, making these pieces not just visual art but also engaging objects that enhance the sensory experience of a space. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. In addition to purely decorative pieces, old wood can be repurposed into functional items that serve a dual purpose. For example, creating a wooden coat rack or key holder can add organization while also enhancing the aesthetic of an entryway. Using reclaimed wood for such projects not only gives the material a second life, but also contributes to a cohesive and stylish decor theme throughout the home. The natural beauty of the wood can complement a range of styles, from rustic to modern, making it a versatile choice for any space. Another practical solution is to design wooden shelves that showcase both art and functionality. Reclaimed wood can be cut and assembled into floating shelves, providing a platform for displaying plants, books, or decorative items. This project not only maximizes vertical space, but also allows you to incorporate your personal style. The shelves can be finished with a simple coat of varnish to enhance the wood's natural beauty or painted to match the room's color palette. The result is a stylish and functional addition that breathes new life into old materials. Creating wall art from old wood also encourages a sense of connection to nature. The organic feel of wood brings the outdoors inside, contributing to a calming and grounding atmosphere. This connection to nature is increasingly important as urban living spaces become more prevalent. By incorporating wooden decor, you can create a sanctuary that reflects the beauty of the natural world. The rich textures and warm tones of wood foster a sense of tranquility, making your home a place of refuge from the chaos of daily life. Moreover, the process of transforming old wood into art provides a therapeutic outlet for creativity. Engaging in hands-on projects allows for a meditative experience where the focus shifts from everyday worries to the joy of creation. This therapeutic aspect is particularly valuable in a world that often feels overwhelming. The satisfaction derived from crafting something beautiful from discarded materials cultivates a sense of accomplishment and pride. Each completed piece serves as a reminder of your ability to create and innovate, reinforcing the idea that beauty can emerge from even the most unexpected sources. As you embark on your journey of repurposing old wood into wall art and decor, consider the importance of community and sharing. Involving friends or family in the crafting process can enhance the experience, turning it into a collaborative project. Whether it's hosting a workshop or simply inviting loved ones to join you, sharing the creative process fosters connection and builds relationships. These moments spent together can lead to the creation of cherished memories, as well as unique pieces that carry the stories of those who participated in their making. In addition to personal projects, consider donating or selling your crafted items. Many communities have local markets or online platforms where handmade goods can be shared. This not only promotes sustainability, but also supports local economies and encourages others to explore their creativity. By sharing your creations, you inspire others to rethink their relationship with materials and the potential for transformation. Each piece sold or gifted represents a step toward fostering a culture of sustainability and creativity. Ultimately, giving old wood a second life through wall art and decor is a powerful solution that combines sustainability, creativity, and personal expression. The process of repurposing materials not only addresses environmental concerns, but also enriches our living spaces with unique, meaningful pieces. From wooden mosaics to functional shelves, the possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. As you embark on this creative journey, you'll discover that the beauty of old wood lies not just in its physical appearance, but in the stories it tells and the memories it holds. By transforming discarded materials into art, you contribute to a more sustainable future while enhancing the warmth and character of your home. In the end, each crafted piece becomes a testament to the power of creativity and the importance of giving new life to what once was. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wall art and decor ideas from old wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.